Guys, welcome back to the channel. And holy shit, I just messed up my intro. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 4.6 Mustang that we're going to be pulling the motor out of and putting another motor into. Now the story behind this Mustang is we had our first ride out I think it was about 2 months ago, or maybe a little longer, and I was driving this, and it recently had a head job, and we're not sure what really happened, but it was taking long to start. We feel like that was the fuel pump issue, and basically I think it overheated and jump timing. I'm not sure which happened first, but the motor is not blown. It probably just needs 2 new heads, and that'll be the end of it. But we don't want to go back into this motor, so we're just going to swap another motor that the owner had sitting around and be back on the road. I am not going to be recording much of the swap, just basically because of the time frame that I want to get this done. I want to actually pull this motor today. The first day that I'm here, I'm going to pull the motor, probably with the transmission, just pull it out as one piece, and tomorrow the new motor is going to be going in. So this is going to be a 2-day swap. Guys, this is going to be a common thing on this channel, like swapping motors, building cars from the junkyard. So if you like things like that, V8 motors, V6s, whatever it might be, we're just going to be bringing cars back to life basically on this channel, and then beating it back to death. So if you like things like that, make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Let's get started.
What's the trick? I wish I knew. I'm so done with thinking through all the things I could have been, and I know you want me to. All it takes is that one look at you, and I run right back to you. You cross the line, and it's time to say a few. What's the point in saying that when you know how I react? You think you can just take it back, but shit just don't work like that. You're the drug that I'm addicted to, and I want you so bad. Guess I'm stuck with you, and that's that. 'Cause when it all falls down, then whatever. When it don't work out for the better, if it just ain't right.
So we have it jacked up on both sides, about to go down and loose the AC compressor, the starter, the bell housing, and the motor mounts, and then we should be ready to pull it. Wire harness is already taken off, intake is off, alternator off, EGR disconnected. Alright, so almost time to pull.
I don't know. We say what hurts the most. Oh, I tried staying cold, but you take it personal. All these firing shots and making ground, it's way too hard to go, but I still can't let you go. 'Cause when it all falls down, then whatever. When it don't work.
Right, so we done do more than enough work for the day. We have the motor pulled out and starting to dress the second one, and in the morning we should have it all dressed and have all the clutch and everything back on it to go back in the car, and we should be done tomorrow.